Wow, what an awesome piece of kit this is. BMW 7 Series 740 diesel powered by a 3 litre twin turbocharged 6-cylinder diesel engine, producing in excess of 300 horsepower, bucket loads of torque, and in excess of 40 miles per gallon, depending on how light your right foot is. Automatic, kind of goes without saying. Dakota black leather interior, heated front seats, bird's eye view camera, rear park camera, Bluetooth, sat nav. It's not a lot of things it doesn't have, and even the horses are getting excited about it, so I don't need to say much more, do I? In superb condition throughout, especially considering it'll be 8 years of age later this year. It's got a full BMW service history as evidence of 5 services in the history book, which is actually digital as well as being manual. Brilliant specification. Air conditioning's ice cold. You can see the paintwork's in superb order. Wheels are in presentable condition. It's got MOT until April 2020. Windscreen's free from large chips or any cracks. It's got 2 keys, and it represents awesome value for money. Just to think how much this car cost new, it's got in excess of £5,500 worth of extras, which maybe doesn't sound like a lot, but the 7 Series is spec'd extremely well as standard. It's got the optional upgraded LA style, as they're known, alloy wheels as well. And if you take a look at the advert online, look at the images, and still feel like I've missed anything important, please do get in touch. I'm more than happy to answer any questions as they come up. Electric sunroof, which is very nice option as well. And that's about it. My name's Alex of Small Cars Direct, in this case Big Cars Direct you could say, and we do offer nationwide delivery, part exchange and finance. Check out our 120 reviews across the internet, Google, Facebook, Instagram, our website, and we're also a Hampshire County Council buy with confidence scheme business as well. Many thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll speak to you soon.